What's going on, Mixon? Nice, Nathan Mixon here. So when you were a kid, jumping rope was fun, and as an adult, it's more of a workout, but still fun. Running as a kid was fun too, but only in short bursts. I vividly remember the 1 mile running test in 4th grade. It nearly broke my heart because there was nothing like tag or hide and go seek. Now, the title of this video is Skip Cardio. You need to start doing this by, of course, skipping if you're Canadian, or jumping rope if you live anywhere else but Canada. But regardless of where you are, try this, especially if you don't like to run. Now, before we get started, there are a ton of ropes you can choose from. The weight ropes, the speed of the rope, the prices may vary from rope to rope. So I'll leave you some options in the description if you're interested. Now, first of all, a little bit more about roping, jump roping or skipping. It's convenient. With a small amount of space, you can jump up and down wherever you are. Second, your rope goes wherever you go. I leave a rope in my car, and at the gas station you might catch me jumping at the pump. Yeah, it looks a little odd, but people will definitely envy you. If you are at the gas station, you might not jump long depending on the gas prices, so consider it more of a warm-up. If you are charging an electric car, you might get a decent workout. So make sure you click the top right-hand corner if you're looking for some ideas on how to jump rope. Now, there are a lot of benefits to jumping that you may be missing out on. On average, in about just 15 minutes, you can burn up to 300 calories in one go, considering the rope and the activity level. This is normally done with a basic jump, so you can't even accomplish this burn easily during a run. Trust me, I run a lot and I don't come close to getting worn out like I do with a jump rope. If your coordination is off, the jump rope will connect both mind and body, and you may suck at the beginning, and that's perfectly fine, but you will get better with every single jump. You may even throw in a few tricks in the process or even learn some new ones. This in turn will grant you the agility just like Spider-Man, and above all, increase your cardio endurance, providing more muscular for the fat calorie burn. Mixonites, you definitely want to do this. Again, click the card in the video for some awesome jump videos that will get you right in no time. I literally lost 10 pounds making these videos, so make sure you check them out. Now, before you hit the like button for me and also comment for the YouTube algorithm, make sure you get some merch from my line. This definitely supports the channel, allowing me to make these free videos for you. If you made it this far, you are definitely an all-star, and thanks for watching. I'll definitely flex with you in the next video, and happy training.